Hey guys. Okay, so I had a guy come to me recently and he was like, look, I love your videos, but problem is I'm looking to do a project in Townsville. So how would you recommend I go about trying to find a town planner, someone to partner with on my project? I was like, oh, that's a good question. Let me think about it. Anyway, long story short, I ended up coming up with 3 key things that I personally thought he should be looking for when trying to source a town planner. So I thought, hey, why don't I share those 3 things with you in this week's video? So first and foremost, I believe that you need to find someone who has recent experience with your specific type of job. Now, I say your specific type of job both in terms of location and the nature of the proposal. Like if you come to me, like this guy did with a project in Townsville, yeah, nah, that ain't my thing. Or if you come to me with a high rise here in Brisbane, yeah, again, ain't my thing. Like I'm going to on-refer you to someone else because that's just not my jam. The reason being, I personally believe it's one thing to be able to read the black and white rules on the page. It's another to understand how council interprets those grey sort of areas, and also the personalities of the people assessing the applications and the drivers politically within that specific council. And also recent, I really need to harp that point because council, when it comes to town planning, is constantly evolving and changing and all that sort of stuff. Like demolition's the best example. I always joke, let's say 10, 15 years ago, back when I was starting my private career, we used to be able to lodge applications and the simple justification was there's not 3 protected or 3 pre-47 houses in a row. Boom, gone. Now, totally different game. Individual houses are protected and even the ones that aren't typically or stereotypically cutesy are being protected. So yeah, you need, I personally believe, recent experience with that specific job to be able to do things properly. Number 2, you need someone who can work in with your time frames. So if you come to me and you say, hey, I need a pre-purchase review done within 24 hours, nah, ain't my jam. I'm not the one for you. Like, we are a one town planner firm. I do not have the resources, unfortunately, to be able to turn things around that quickly. I mean, maybe I shouldn't say I don't have the resources. You going to throw me $1 million? I will find the resources. I will pull an all-nighter and make it happen. But most of the time, I don't have the resources. I'm more of a 2 or 3 business day turnaround kind of gal. So yeah, if you're looking for something to be turned around quickly, you've got to find a bigger firm that has more resources that can potentially turn around within that time frame. Then number 3, and I personally think this is the most important thing, you need to find someone that you vibe with. So if for you, serious, professional, lawyer-like town planner equals trust, equals credibility, equals comfort, go for it. Like totally get and respect that. Yeah, that ain't me. Like I think I say on our website, if having a town planner who has a propensity to crack out a unicorn onesie makes you feel uneasy, yeah, we ain't the town planners for you. Like I go a more relaxed, conversational, try to go a little bit humorous and lighthearted kind of vibe. I know that's not everyone's jam, but that's just me. That's who I am. So yeah, for some people, having that more relaxed vibe is what they're searching for because they want to feel like they can ask questions without feeling stupid, etc., etc. So yeah, I'm the town planner for them. So yeah, in summary, there's a saying that has always not haunted me, stuck with me ever since I first heard it, and it was, you can be the juiciest, ripest peach in the world, and some people, they just don't like peaches. So when it comes to town planning, you've got to work out what's your fruit, what fruit are you chasing, and then you've got to find the town planner that provides that fruit. So yeah, that's how I would summarize what I would be looking for when it comes to finding a town planner. As I always like to say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got 3. Number 1, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site specific. You would be a silly billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly billy. Number 2, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number 3, what was my number 3? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all. Bye.